Hello, whores. Hello, my beauties. So I'm back with another unboxing video. I know it's been a minute, but I have to actually wait for packages to receipt to come before I just go ahead and upload. So I'm receiving a lot of packages this week, so please be patient with me. So I open up the package, and this is gonna be really funny. I got a car cup holder, a car cup mount holder. This is gonna be real funny because I gave up my car. I don't have a car. You just hit me up and asking me to do stuff about cars. You're trying to hurt my feelings or make fun of me because I lost my car. Like, you're hurting my feelings. I don't have a car. But anyway, let's go ahead with the review. So this is also going to be funny because I'm with my phone. So I'm going to put a toy in the holder part. I'm really looking for a new place to record in my house. And in my basement, my landlord left like 2 washing machines, and one is like not necessary. And I was thinking that I can take that area and turn it into like my studio, you know, so I can record in one place and not be coming on film and you guys seeing me in different places all the time. So I want to be more professional. So like this is not professional, but I'm preparing to do a new hairstyle for you guys, and you guys are gonna see that upload, I believe, Thursday. So I'm opening up this teaser, what you guys call it, a teaser, because I don't have a car. I don't have a car. You get it? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing, and the only instructions is, I believe, on the back. So that's my first con. It should have a thing that come inside with instructions. Let me look before I just criticize people. So this company had actually emailed me and asked me if I would collab with them to do a review on this car mount thing. So this is the first thing. This is supposed to sit in the cup holder in your car, which I don't have one. And I don't know what this does. It says turn to open. What am I turning? This is creepy. Okay, this is lock and this is open. So, okay, it doesn't open. What the hell? It's not opening. You guys, I don't know what the hell is going on with this thing. It says turn to open and turn to lock. It turns on, oh, this thing opens up. I don't know what the hell it's supposed to be for. I don't know. I guess it's supposed to stay in place. That's my guess. Okay, so at this point, we're just guessing. Okay, guys, let's continue to guess. Because there's no goddamn instructions. You fools. Okay, so it came with these little, I don't know what they are. And with this thing, I guess this is for the phone. So I'm basically going by what the picture says. Come on, you guys gotta do better, because you can't be sending us stuff without instructions. Why we gotta rely on the box? What if I would have opened up the box and threw it away and then just had this with like, but does it go like this? Is this how it goes? I don't know how the hell this is supposed to go. Does it go like this? I know one thing, it doesn't stay. What the hell? Let me roll this down some so y'all can see my struggle. Cause I don't know what the hell is going on. My tripod is awesome. At least this came with instructions. All right, so I'm gonna try. Oh, it turns. So yeah, I'm just basically playing this thing by ear, because I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't trust this thing because sorry. I don't know how this. To it said press the buttons. Oh, I hope this locks it. You a damn lie. Would you guys put your phone on something that you don't know what the hell is going on with? I think it's defective. Maybe it's broken. This would have been cool. I don't know what the hell. It just keeps opening. This don't feel safe. I got an iPhone 10R, and if my phone falls off of this and breaks, I'm gonna be pissed. But I guess this is something. It don't even stand up. And then what? 'Cause what do you do with those sticker things? Like, I don't get it. Like, you putting stuff in here like, no instructions, you fools! daughter looked back at me like, what the hell is wrong with you, Ma? I don't know what to do with this part. It's 3 of them. It might go... I shouldn't be guessing at this point because... Twist the thing. Okay, this thing here looks fine, but okay, and then it closes. If I don't figure this thing out like ASAP, I will be sending it back because I don't want to waste my time or y'all or you guys' time. I don't like wasting my my subscribers' time, my followers' time, my fans' time, because like, do I have to make it upward in order for it to work? And then I'm still trying to figure out what to do with these sticky things because I don't see anything anywhere that, unless it goes here, on here somewhere. I don't know, maybe this keeps it from moving or something. I don't know, but so far I don't like it. So you guys can watch me put it back in the box. Because what the hell, what is this? I don't understand it. It didn't come with instructions. Okay, that, and put this here. See? And then I'm gonna arrange, pick up. So I put a box because I wasn't sure how to work it, so it's going. So anyway, guys, that concludes today's video. Well, this video, I have more to film, so I'm gonna end this one right now. If this thing got me so off. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Thank you for 3,045 subscribers. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for more. Love you. Later.